August 11, signal number 4, forced evacuation na. Magto 20 meters na yung level ng ilog at mag-evacuate na kami. Nandito kami sa Town and Country at nasa harapan na namin ng halos aabutin na. Kahit 1 metro yung taas ng bahay namin, inabot pa rin kami. May aso namin nandito na mismo. Taas pa naman ng bahay namin, kaya lang inabot pa rin. Survival kit, everyone. Here's my survival kit. You bring clothes, towel, and pants, especially when you gotta go swimming through the flood. In your bag, flashlight, a gun, rock, tape, everything you need. First aid kit. I got water inside there, and another spare water bottle right there. And my phone should be fully charged. And we're going outside on a trip in the ocean. Ocean flood. Here we are, guys. We're gonna go out. Nandito na tayo, guys. Ito na po.
Arte din mo. Arte.
Dito na magtatapos.
Kasa.
Guys, God bless. May the Lord be with us. Kaya na, guys. Naglalakad na ako sa Guys, hindi talaga makakanta na maayos. Pitch black. And we're walking alone. Nothing but me. Flooded areas everywhere. Guys, first time ko to sumulong sa baha. At ang masasabi ko, ang lamig. Parang swimming pool, no? Hala na. So,